So do you know how to properly earth your house? Well, it's actually quite simple. And once you understand the basics, it's very easy to do yourself. Today, I'm going to show you how to properly earth your house. Why is earthing important? Well, think about what would happen if someone touches a live wire accidentally. Without earthing, that electric shock would go straight through their body because electricity always takes the path of least resistance. But with proper earthing, the electric shock will instead flow into the ground instead of through your body. So first, pick a spot in your compound for your earthing pit. Ideally, you want to choose an area that's close to your house but not too close. Avoid rocky or sandy areas and don't place the earthing pit near water or sewage pipes. The ideal depth for the earthing pit is between 2.5 to 3 meters. This ensures good conductivity even during dry weather. Next, we need to install our earthing electrode. I'm using a G-pipe for this, but you can also use a copper plate. Just make sure it's thick enough to make good contact with the soil. If using a pipe, make sure it has some holes in it. This helps increase the surface area, which improves conductivity. Now let's start filling the pit. We'll begin by digging a hole that's about 60 centimeters wide and 2.5 to 3 meters deep. The depth is important because it helps maintain good conductivity even during dry weather. Next, add a layer of charcoal, then cover it with a layer of salt. The salt helps attract moisture from the air and maintain a moist environment. This is important because the moisture helps keep the resistance of the earthing low. Now repeat the process by adding another layer of charcoal and covering it with soil. Continue doing this until the pit is almost full. The last layer should be a layer of soil. Now let's install the PVC pipe. This will allow us to water the earthing pit whenever it's needed. Just make sure the PVC pipe has some small holes in it. Finally, connect the earthing electrode to your house's main distribution board with a copper or G-strip. Make sure all the connections are tight and free from corrosion. That's all there is to it. And don't forget to check your earthing regularly to make sure it's working properly. You can do this by measuring the resistance. For residential houses, the resistance should be below 1 ohm. But up to 5 ohms is acceptable. So there you have it. By following these simple steps, you can earth your house properly and protect yourself and your family from electrical hazards. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family.